Hello there, sixth graders. Just a short video here to walk you through the steps of how you can use your study guide to get ready for the test. So you'll notice that in all of your units, you always have a study guide listed. You can either make a copy or print it at the beginning of the unit and work on it throughout the unit, or you can do it right before you take the test. It is not an assignment. Notice that. It is listed as a material. You do not need to turn it in. It is not worth a grade for you, but obviously using the study guide is going to help you get a really good grade on the unit test. So that's how you will benefit from completing the study guide. So you'll just click here on the link. You'll notice that there is a Google Doc for each of the study guides. And then for the first one, I have a Kahoot link as well. So you will need to click on this. It is not going to make a copy for you because some students like to print them and then other students do not. So when you click on this, if you want to print the study guide, just hit print and it'll print it, and then you can write right on it and then use it when you take the test. If you do not have a printer, or you would like to have a copy of the study guide as a Google Doc, please do not ask for access for it. You already have that access. You just need to go right here under File and choose Make a Copy. When you make a copy, you will make your own Google Doc copy that you can type into. So you can type into the study guide. You just need to make a copy first. If you could download it as a Word document if you want it as a Microsoft Word document, but most of you will just make a Google Drive copy of your own. So please do that first, and then you will have your own that you can type into if you would like. And then you'll see for this particular unit, I put a Kahoot link, and you can use the Kahoot and play it as many times as you'd like if you would like to prepare for the test and do well for it. And if you have questions, please let me know.